Increase your income by starting a freelance career. I did it and you too can. Here's everything you need to know. Freelancing as a UX designer gives you flexibility and a great source of income. But here's the thing, it's not just about designing cool screens. You need a plan. If you want to succeed, you have to do things strategically. So in this video, I'll be breaking down exactly how to build a profitable UX career step by step. Stick around because at the end of this video, I will share a pricing tip that will make sure you're not undercharging for your work. So first up, your portfolio. This is your online salesperson, but here's a common mistake. Most designers just throw in beautiful UIs without explaining their thought process behind them. That's the problem. Clients don't just want pretty designs, they want solutions that improve user experience and drive results. So how do you fix this? You need to show your UX process clearly. So let's take for instance a web design. What work went behind you coming up with that beautiful, converting and engaging website? Ideally, you must have done research to understand your target audience, understand the competitors. You must have analyzed this feedback to create user journey maps, user personas, user flows. Then you must have done wireframing and all. You can present this as a case study in your portfolio and also list that as part of your deliverables in your web design services. Either way, show that you're not just making things pretty, you're solving real problems. And oh, don't worry, if you don't have real clients yet, the key is to showcase your problem solving skills. Here's a simple way to do that. Head over to Play Store or App Store and check out reviews from popular apps. Look for recurring complaints, maybe users struggling with navigation, checkout process is confusing or accessibility is poor. Once you've done that, once you've identified the problem, redesign the experience with UX principles, document your process, that's the research, wireframe, usability improvement, and then add it to your portfolio as a case study. This not only improves your UX skills, but also shows potential clients that you understand real use pain points and know how to fix them. Plus, it makes for great content to share on LinkedIn and Dribble. So next up is getting clients. This is where networking and personal branding comes in. A lot of freelancers think, I'll just create a portfolio and clients will magically find me. Nope, you have to put yourself out there. So where should you be? 1. LinkedIn. Share your process, insights, and project. Network with designers, leave comments on your fellow designers' work, join design communities. 2, you need to be on Behance and Dribble, showcase your best work there. Number 3, you need to be on X. Engage with US communities, share thoughts, share your design. Forget about likes and comments for now. Just keep building your brand and networking. It takes time. In the end, it is all worth it. The 4th place it should be is Instagram and Pinterest. Those places that are great for visual discovery. And lastly, your personal website. You can even create one on Framer, use Figma, or even host it on Behance or Notion. They're all easy to use. Also, don't underestimate referrals. Sometimes your first and best gig comes from people you already know. So tell your friends, post on social media, post on your WhatsApp status, and let the world know that you're available. Moving on, let's talk about managing your time. Because let's be honest, freelancing can get messy. You need to use the 80/20 rule, which means you need to focus on the 20% of work that brings 80% of results. So here you need to prioritize things like research, wireframing, and let's say your testing. Then you need to learn time blocking, like set dedicated working hours. For example, you could dedicate 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. for deep design work, and you can dedicate between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. for client calls. You also need to be familiar with productivity tools like Notion for project tracking and Google Calendar for scheduling. And when it comes to clients, be clear on deadlines from the start. If a project takes 2 weeks, don't say I will have it ready in 5 days just to impress them. Set realistic expectations. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Because let's be real, no one wants to work for peanuts. Most designers undercharge because they think it makes them more competitive, but pricing too low makes clients doubt your skill. Instead, do this. 1. Research the industry rate. Check out other freelancers' charges for that similar work. You can use AI tool like ChatGPT to get a sense of how to charge and compare it with your research. Number 2, charge for value, not hours. A design that increases conversion is worth way more than just 10 hours of work, right? 3, offer tiered pricing. Have basic, standard, and premium packages so clients can choose what fits their budget. You can also make reference to this website. I find their pricing very clear and shows users exactly the value that they're getting firsthand. So now you've got the blueprint for a successful freelance UX career. It's time to take action. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and we'll respond. And if you want more UX design tutorials, subscribe to Love Rockets.